What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? TGIF. And is it a good day so far? Yes, it is. We're going to take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin right now, as Bitcoin seems to be moving strongly. We're going to take a look at ETFs. We're going to take a look at what's going on with Mt. Gox, global tech outages. Oh my. We'll take a look at that as well. And of course, we're going to take a look at the performance of some of these altcoins in the last 7 days. Okay, so we're going to take a look at my watch list and some cryptos and some altcoins that have been moving. I'm gonna look at those charts. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right, take a look at the king, Bitcoin, 66,280. After a few days, right, 4 days more or less, getting to this ascending line and then kind of just playing around it, trying to break through. It looks like we have broken through. Now we're doing this in the face of Mt. Gox sales. Now people don't know how much the creditors are selling because it's hard to get that information exactly. Okay, but we can kind of guesstimate according to Kobayashi report. Going by their numbers, there's the remaining 35% of creditors that will receive 64% of the remaining Bitcoin, worth close to $6 billion. The bigger fish are next up on the repayment list. Okay, there have been sales going on, but look what Bitcoin is doing during that whole Mt. Gox thing. So maybe it was a little bit overblown. Okay, maybe again the extremists on either side. And it seems like this one, the extremists on the downside, might have been incorrect. We still have time, but Bitcoin is looking super strong, 66,375. Yesterday, I mentioned to you guys, the other parts of the whole picture look pretty good, look inviting, ready for Bitcoin to rally. All right. Of course, the S&P, not so much. The Nasdaq, not so much. The Dow Jones, not so much. And yesterday, Bitcoin did drop. But it looks like Bitcoin is doing what Bitcoin does, all right, and the correlation, thankfully, is not all that strong at the moment. That will ebb and flow. We are back into this triangle, okay, strongly right now. It would be great to see us close with this big up here. Anything above right today, 64,800 would be great to see. Okay. And let's see if we do play around either this line in the next coming weeks or clearly in this triangle. Remember what I mentioned earlier in the week, that if we do, the next time we get up around this area right here, 69,179, this area currently of resistance, I think the next time we get up here, I think we are going to hold on to it, and from there start blasting up to new highs. Onwards and upwards, guys. Onwards and upwards. Things are looking pretty good, I have to say. Let's see. Let's take a look quickly at others. I like it. My portfolio is looking green. I am happy with the performance of during the dip. I sold some stuff. I basically just moved around my portfolio and sold some stuff that I was not pessimistic on, but felt less strongly than I do other projects. And so I've mentioned to you guys the projects that I was buying, and some of them I've started to move strongly. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. Okay, others, which is basically the market cap of the altcoins, excluding the top 10 right now, in this triangle clearly as well. So we just see triangles all around. Let's take a look quickly at BTC dominance, moving up, breaking above this area. Really cool to see. All right, and let's discuss the other thing really quickly. Widespread global tech outages disrupt flights, banks, hospitals, and media outlets, all that stuff this morning. And you know what was not affected? Bitcoin. Bitcoin looking strong. Let's see if we break through this. We do want to see Bitcoin dominance go up more, okay, because we really want to see it go up and then eventually come back down. When it comes back down, that's when altcoin season will begin in earnest. But altcoins are going to move up with Bitcoin as well. 66,128, super cool to see. 66,155. ETFs, let's take a look at that really quickly. Yesterday, another green day. On the 17th, 53.35 million, and on the 18th, 37.11 million. So we're kind of winding down, okay? But this week we had hundreds of millions in sales, okay? 3 days in a row, over 300 million in sales. The 15th to 16th, the 12th, the 15th, and the 16th. Okay, 12 was last week. So really cool to see. Really cool to see. That's 10 consecutive days. Let's see if the streak continues today. And apparently it did, because as of this morning, the trading volume was pretty high. Okay, this is about an hour ago. Huge trading volume for US Bitcoin ETFs. So that's very positive, extremely positive. All right, so Bitcoin 66,100. Let's see if we're gonna be in and around this triangle. So let's see if we spend the rest of this July inside this triangle, trying to get in above over this 69,179. What else did I want to mention here? Okay, this is the 1st of July right here. Okay, so basically, for the month to close, we have to be above 62,800, and so far we're at 66,138. So it looks like July, for now, is a positive month. We still have quite a ways to go. Okay, it's the 19th today. We have until the 31st, so we still have some time to see where this thing ends up. But like I said, we are gearing towards the parabolic part, the best part of this bull run, guys, where huge money is made to those that are properly invested. All right, now let's take a look at CoinMarketCap. Okay, this is my watch list, and we're gonna go here 7 days to see what's been performing the last 7 days. Neural AI. These are this is one that I was adding to at a good clip to lower my average buy price. Okay, and I did. Okay, I lowered it because I bought here too. Okay, my buy price was a little higher. Okay, and then I added to my position because I like this project. I got my average buy price down to $2.01, and then, you know, from the 16th of July forward, it started to move up, guys. Still at a $43.3 million market cap, but I mean, I would watch it and wait for a pullback. Okay, we are basically in price discovery above $4.39 is new all-time highs. Okay, made a new all-time high today, $4.66. It is rejected from there. I mean, it has come down since, but that's fine. There's probably people taking profits, but let's see what happens. This is a good project, guys, really good project. 4% buy and sell tax, I believe still, and you have to buy it on Uniswap. But imagine when this thing gets on sexes, this thing is going to do extremely well. Neural AI, okay, and it's been having a great week, up 238%. Ventus Metaverse. It was a small cap play. Let's not even talk about it. Lumerin is having a good week, 124%, but I don't own it. I just follow it. Let's effing go, 105% last 7 days. This is a meme coin play on Solana. I am watching it as well. Let's take a look at what that one looks like. So here's a little pump, still below my average buy price, but getting there. 0.007 to 0.009. I really like this project. It's going to do really well. $7.5 million market cap as well. Super early, guys. Super early. I'm bringing a lot of jumps to your attention. What else? Weco, another one that I was adding to my bag more than I wanted to, and I'm glad I did, because it's up 97% last 7 days. I'm still underwater on this. 3 million market cap, guys. A real world asset plays. I do really well with real world asset plays. Let's take a look at Weco really quickly. Beautiful. I like to see that. I did buy down here. Because I was like, let me just buy it. Actually, like right around here somewhere. I saw it start kind of moving up somewhere around here, somewhere in this little B area right here. I saw it moving up, and my average buy price was higher even than what it is now. And those buys helped drop it down. I'm just almost at break even where it's at right now. It's good to see. It'll come back up here, guys. And I have a nice bag, bigger bag than I thought I was gonna have, or thought that I initially wanted. A bigger bag than I wanted, and so far it's working out well. Weco, I do really well with these real asset plays, man. I'm telling you, look at this, doing well, and they're focused on Latin America, by the way. All right, let's see what else. Mr. Miggles, I mentioned this to you guys yesterday, the day before. Just launched. Okay, some people were upset that that Coinbase is giving this or Base and Coinbase is giving this meme coin so much shine. Up 96% the last 7 days. It's not even 7 days old yet. 90 million market cap already. Let's take a look at this bad boy. I'm up over 100%. Am I? Let's take a look. Yesterday, this thing was like 4 days old, guys. All right, 4 days old. My average buy price 4 cents, 4.5 cents. Right now it's at 9. Yeah, so I am up over 100% on this. Oh no, a little bit, or near. Yeah, I am. Right now 109, the highest it's been today. Up almost 120% in a day. Not bad, not bad. I had 2 more buys to make here. I just couldn't get there fast enough, and it started moving against my average buy price. So I'm like, I'll just wait to see what happens, knowing that this could happen. But also, I also know that, you know, what goes up must come down, and usually these meme plays that go up, they do come back down. I don't know if it'll come back down to this level right here, because this is basically at like around 39, 40-ish $1 million market cap, and right now it's at 87 million market cap. It could continue to go up. We'll see. I'm happy with the bag I got. I could have had my bag could have been a little bit bigger, but if this thing gets into the billions of dollars of market cap, I'll be happy. It won't matter. All right, $87.4 million market cap right now. Mr. Miggles on base, guys. Okay, this thing looks like it wants to keep moving. I'm showing you these ones that are moving so that you can note them, not necessarily start putting your money into them right now. Obviously, you want to wait for a pullback. You want to wait for things to drop and not be buying at all-time highs. Okay, it's just riskier. You can take the risk. Okay, and sometimes it pays off. Very few times, but sometimes it does. It's just better to sit, wait. You know, note that it's doing this, and then wait for a pullback. And if you still like the project after doing your homework, then go ahead and a pullback during a red day. Okay, ideally. Let's see what else. Mr. Mingles. Okay, that's cool. Those are the only ones that are up to like 100%. Below that is prop base at 72%, 74%, and Ponky, which is up 68%. I don't even watch it. I have it because that's another Solana play. Ponky right here. A Solana meme coin play, 378 million market cap already. So that one's really high right now. But I am up. It's up 40 cents. I'm up like 50%. 40 cents is what my average buy price is. It's at 67 cents right now. And the other one, prop base. Prop base, another real world asset play. Having a good week as well. We'll take a look at that when I find it. Here we go. Okay. It's having a good week, guys. Okay. Getting closer. It's been as high as 28 cents. It's at 10 cents right now. So it's actually still, I would say, a good buyout. I would wait for a pullback or something to see. You know, I can't recommend in good faith buying on days like this. It's just note it and wait for some red, wait for a pullback, wait for a few red days, and then go in, do your dollar cost average or however you want to do it. I recommend dollar cost averaging. Okay, and that's pretty much that. Okay, Chuck is having a good week too, 62% for the week. Let's take a look. Success Kit 2. Trias, 30s. Things are looking really good. Let's take a look at the other way really quickly. What's having a bad week? Kaikan. Okay, I'm still trying to get into this one. I have one more buy to make. I would like to see it drop a little bit lower. Okay, just a little bit lower to where it is. I would ideally like to get it at somewhere in like the 3.6 million dollar market cap. Right now it's at 4.2. All right, Boomer's also having a bad week, down 13%. Kaikan is down 55%. But this is when you buy. This is the stuff that you look at to say, okay, what can I be buying here? Okay, but not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, just 11%, 8%, 5%. Soonburst is down 5%, but it's up 3.4%, 3.7% for the last hour. So it's trying to hold on to that area. DNX down 4.5% for the week at 47 cents. Great buy right here. I actually just picked up some this morning because I'm like, I have some capital that I made from a sale of FabWelt. I sold out of FabWelt, which is a gaming play, and I have some capital that I was gonna put mostly in Mr. Miggles, but like I said, I still have 2 buys to make there. I don't know if I'll make them, so I have to allocate that somewhere else. And the other capital was just extra, and I haven't decided what I want to allocate that into. But DNX was one that I did buy this morning because it's down here. Lowered my average buy price to this 63 cents. I think that was my last buy. Okay, I'm pretty happy with what I got. I wanted to get a shot at getting it down here, and I did. Let's see if it starts moving up from here on out. Looks like if the market continues to, it will. Where can I put that money? Maybe I could put it in Grow. Okay, which is looking like this might have been the local bottom. Let's see. Maybe I could put some more in Atlas Navi, which is at a good price, 17 cents. My average buy price is 25 cents. Or maybe I could even add some into GraphLink. I could do all 3 with the capital that I have right now. I could make about 6 buys right now with the capital that I have right now on different 6 buys in total. 6 cents on GraphLink protocol. Things are looking interesting, man. There's still some good plays out there, guys. There's still some good plays out there. Let's go back to Bitcoin and let's finish this. 66,241. Let's go, baby. Let's go. This is how we finish the weekend strong. There's still some good plays, guys. Even though Bitcoin is looking strong, ETFs inflows are continuing to look strong. 10 days in a row today. Mt. Gox still 60-something% left to be sold, with the big fish up to receive their payments, their Bitcoin. So let's see what happens there. All right. All right, guys, I think that's it. All right, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, and if you can do all that stuff really does help. All right. With all that said, have yourself a great weekend. Thank you very much. I will see you guys Monday. Have a good one. Peace.